So cosplay contests aren't actually part of the cosplay community. At a cosplay convention, 100 people enter the cosplay contest. The cosplay contest does not get broadcasted. Get up at 9 a.m. and you perform your whatever skit that you want to perform at 6 p.m. But all along that way, you waste your entire Saturday. In that time, a TikToker would have made like 50 videos with 300 people. 100 million views. You're on stage, people see your costume, but they don't see you make money off of their hobbies. Because of that, the only people who enter into cosplay contests, that's their whole thing that they care about.
So cosplay contest is not a part of the cosplay community, because it's not broadcast, it's not shown to many people, because an influencer cosplay would make 100 videos compared to one contest. Instead of looking at it or the way everyone else is going to look at it, saying or trying to prove that cosplay contest is part of the cosplay community, even though it's part of the name itself, let's see the benefit of saying this to the persons that's saying it. Why would you want to say this? I feel like most influencer cosplayers, that includes myself, but I've been in cosplay way before many of your times, and I only started competing now because I know cosplay is part of the cosplay community. I mean, it's cosplay. Mentioning money alone tells me that this is an influencer that is not part of the cosplay community. Because to be part of the cosplay community, you have to know that black, fat, disabled people in the cosplay community do not get funding at all. Point blank, period. If you were part of that community, the cosplay community, you would know cosplaying as an influencer cosplayer that don't really make their own outfits. But if they do, it's not really the focus of the cosplay. The focus is the theatrical. But if you don't look like the character, which is most of the cosplay community media, because there's hardly any media that focuses on deeper skin, you are not going to get paid in this industry. You have to find a different way. Fat, black, disabled. So for someone to say cosplay contest is not part of the community means they are not part of the community of cosplay. They are part of the influencer community. They're part of the Clout community, cosplaying based on Clout, because her focus is not on the craftsmanship or actually building with people. It's to make videos, a bunch of videos to post online. And I wouldn't say that's not part of the cosplay community, because again, it started with cosplay. It is part of the cosplay community. But to imply that cosplay contest that you judge in as well is not part of the cosplay community, then what community is it part of? The competition community? Or are you saying that what you're doing in the Clout community is not part of competition? I'm trying to see the benefit of saying this, that cosplay contest is not part of the cosplay community. The only benefit I could see with this is because you are not talented enough to be part of the cosplay contest. Because if the only reason for you to be in a cosplay contest is because of views, I don't think you're part of the cosplay community yourself. You're part of the Clout community. You're part of influencer community. Not even a creator, because you're going into cosplay to make videos with other people. And to be judging other people's outfits when you do not believe they're part of the cosplay community, why are you there? I don't understand the thought process of this. And the thing is, with the Clout community, just like Red Pill community, which is also about Clout and getting funding through Clout, through other people's misfortune, it all comes down to not caring other than the base product, which is gaining funding through cosplay, claiming you're part of the community, claiming you're part of the joy of cosplay, which is a lie with the statement of cosplay not being part of the cosplay community. Like, I'm generally trying to find an actual reason someone would say that. Or are you trying to say that you don't have to compete to be part of the cosplay community? But you're not saying that. You're saying specifically that contest is not part of the cosplay community. It's understandable to say that you do not have to compete to be part of the cosplay. You do not have to look at the character to be part of cosplay. You do not have to be skinny to be part of the cosplay. But I do not believe you believe that, because you think competition is not part of the cosplay community, which competition is not about your looks, it's about your talent. It's about what you can do, not what you look like. And for someone to say that cosplay contest is not part of the cosplay community, I feel like you are not inclusive. That's what I will call it, because cosplay contest is about your talent. Clout chasing cosplay is about your looks. It may be your personality, but again, fat, black, or disabled is not getting to that point of view. Is not getting to that angle. Will not be able to get through cosplay through how you do it because of the way they look. It is that simple. If you was part of the community, you would know that. Let's say cosplay competitions is not part of the community. What you have is clout chasing, dances, I guess, collaborations with people that's not part of the community, but you're saying that's part of the community, and ignoring their harassment. Because now there's people that can't, since it's not part of the cosplay community, can't show it through their talent, so they have to show it through their looks. And if you are fat, black, or disabled, unless there's a specific character, you are not going to get anywhere in the cosplay community, thus not accepted in your cosplay community. That's how it really works, honestly. Saying cosplay competitions is not part of the cosplay community is very ableist. Because cosplay competition, it's all about talent, using a costume. But since it's not about that, it's not about your talent, what you can do, how you can act, how you can stitch, how dedicated you are, how long it takes, and not caring about who likes it or not making content around it other than going on stage. What do you have left? Clout chasers. You are not part of the cosplay community. You are using cosplay as a tool to get more credit. It's not through your talent, although talent can be, I don't know, knowing how to navigate social media, but then again, that's not a cosplay thing. Cosplay is just costume play. It has nothing to do with like miming, acting like a character. It's all about costume play. I mean, a costume could be your, I still don't get what's the benefit of saying that. What do you gain? Do you get more clout with saying that? Or is that your only worldview? And if that's your only worldview, that means you are not part of the cosplay community. You just want to claim it because it's the new thing to follow. It's the new word. Not really trusting.